The residents of Malabon praised the flood mitigation projects of the government. They claim that the pumping stations in the city are effective. Eugene Fernandez reports.
Flooding is part of lives of Malabon residents. The city is low-lying, makes it prone to frequent flooding, especially during high tides and heavy rains. It is also surrounded by major rivers such as Tulyahan River, Malabon River, and Navotas River. Elizabeth lives in the area for 15 years. She remembers their vulnerable situation even during short downpour.
Dati kasi lahat hakutan na ng mga gamit, ganon. Tapos hindi siksikan po kami. Dati po talaga hanggang bewang, hanggang dibdib, ganyan yung baha. Hindi po alam kung anong gagawin ng mga bata, basang-basa yung mga gamit.
Their situation has changed. According to some residents, the flooding in Malabon recently was significantly lower and subsided faster.
Mas okay pa ngayon sa totoo lang kaysa dati. Kasi dati ang tagal lalo na nung undoy ilang araw bago mawala. Pero ngayon hindi na siya gaanong na magi-stay sa lugar namin yung baha. Hindi kagaya dati nung undoy na totally na ilang araw, di ba? Na hanggang lagpas tao.
Mas maganda po ngayon kaysa dati po. Kasi po, nagkaroon ng pump station. Tapos po, yung baha po netong last, wala po dun sa, yung unang hagdan, hindi pa siya umabot.
This is the pump station referred to by the residents. This pump directs the water straight to the Tulyahan River. The facility has significantly helped residents return to their normal lives faster.
Ngayon tinutukan kami ng DPWH at nag-declare po sila katulong ang barangay at nawala na po baha. Ngayon po medyo bumaba po compared sa dati dati kasi talagang binabaha kami todo.
President Marcos Jr. also has assured that the government efforts to address the flooding problem will continue.
So there is still a lot of work that needs to be done, but with the effects that we have seen, because after all, if we look at the beginnings of the water management that we have done, this is the effect of the work of the last 6-7 months. Nakita natin na nakabawas kaagad, kaya ipapagpatuloy natin ito.
Malabon residents remain hopeful that the administration will eventually put an end to the flooding problem. Eugene Fernandez, IBC News.